Welcome to a very peaceful and productive Florida vlog. My name is Skylar, and today we're starting this video off at Cabbage Key, which is one of my absolute most favorite islands in all of Florida. One of the most unique parts about the Cabbage Key restaurant is that you can put up a dollar bill with your name on it, and they're all over the place, but it makes it so special every time you visit. On the boat ride home, we got to watch one of the most beautiful sunsets with the dolphins. They were following us in our wake, and it was just the cutest experience ever. For an upcoming trip, some errands I need to run, but I'm also gonna have a little bit of fun. My friend Ashley's coming over pretty soon. We're gonna relax by the pool and then probably do some errands at Target. My room is in a state of disaster from this week. I'm recovering from having a little cold and I just have not had the time or energy to do anything, so let's fix this now. My room is looking so much better. So I went ahead and set up the chairs for us to tan, and we're gonna have a little time at the pool. I haven't been in my pool in so long, so I'm kind of excited. This is Ashley. This is the girl in question I was talking about.
Oh, question? What question?
I was saying that you're coming over, and then we're gonna go to Target. So we're at Target. We're in the women's section. Shopping for birthdays. Oh, really? This is actually really cute.
I know, for the beach.
How much are you? I want to get a book for the plane. No, I'm probably gonna not read because I'm probably gonna.
No one ever reads. Who reads on the plane? No one. No one reads on the plane. If you're gonna read on the plane, you're just a narcissist.
So I've laid out each of my outfits and I'm like, wow, did I overpack or is this just the perfect amount? Because I have an outfit for every single day, every type of occasion. journaled in probably 2 months, and that's very sad to say because I really do love writing. I love journaling. A lot of thoughts about my trip, things I'm excited for, and then I also wanted to journal about some YouTube ideas, some video ideas. Let's have a moment of peace, and then it's gonna be a good night for this weekend and this video. So thank you for watching, appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed.